Hey, we're out here having fun, and just as we're looking up, here comes a nice helicopter in to do the job. Here you go, coming into a town. Oh, look at a beautiful glacier. And here, they only have one-lane bridges. So when you come around, you gotta wait and see if anybody's coming. And then once they get through, you take off like a bottle rocket. Look at that. I've been driving here a while now. Here you go, Franz Josef Glacier on the west coast. One of my favorite towns with the glacier. Well, this one shot here says everything you need to know about New Zealand, a land of 40 million sheep and scenery. That sums it up right there, folks. Beautiful place to come if you ever get a chance. Well, there we go, folks. Gonna go out and have a little fun here. Get those Tahr chamois. Different. Everybody's gonna have fun today. We'll show you what happens soon. So if you're looking to have a little bit of that fun, this is a place to go. Helicopter makes it easy and fun, safe. Get up in the top of those mountains where it take you a week to climb. You don't want to do that. Get in that helicopter. Go have your ass a little fun. That's what it's all about. Gary come a long ways. We got some fast action going. He's got one of the better Tahr of the start. Look at that mane. Gary, how was it?
Only a dream.
Love it. Oh. Folks, here you go. This is a fantastic Tahr. Look at the horns. Look at the beautiful mane. We've got Gary here. He said it was a dream come true. Gary?
Adrenaline rush.
Wasn't it though?
100%.
So you'd say you had a good morning?
It's a fantastic morning.
How about the country?
Hey, one of a kind.
Oh my goodness. Look at the mane on this beautiful animal. Look at this. Folks, if you want tahr, giant bull tahr, this is a representative of what you'd want. Look at the blonde highlights. Look at the massive horns. Absolutely beautiful. Gary,
An animal that you definitely want to mount. Life size. An adrenaline rush. Fantastic hunt. Fantastic country. Fantastic people. It's beautiful. For a hunt of a lifetime, an experience, you need to come to New Zealand. It is an adrenaline rush. It is a fantastic experience. And there hasn't been too many things that I haven't shot, but this is a trip.
well, what a great morning we had. This is a beautiful mature bull tahr. Great colors. Look at the horns on this sucker. My goodness, folks, anybody has a tahr on their list of things to do, now's the time to do it. New Zealand, May, June, they're in their prime. Weather's fantastic, and the animals, as you can see, these are mature. Well, folks, we just had Rusty, Gary's buddy, drop his tahr in, and we're going to take advantage of it just to show you two beautiful tahr with a background in New Zealand. Beautiful bull tahr this morning. You can't get any bigger than this. Look at the horns. Look at the colors on that mane. The sun is just starting to come over the top of the hill, and I wanted to show you these beautiful tahr. Here's the second one taken, and that gentleman's out after a chamois right now. Same thing. But if you notice the different color, this one's more of a chocolate gray. There's the lucky guy from this morning right there.
A hunt of a lifetime. You definitely need to put this on your bucket list. It is an adrenaline thrill. It is fantastic.
This is Rusty. He come a long ways down here, and New Zealand has treated him good. He has got a pretty doggone nice bull tahr.
Thank you, Ken.
Oh man, you're very welcome. But
Great time, great time.
You're the man who come and did it all. And look at the colors on that bull tahr, and look at the scenery we're in, Rusty.
Oh, it is beautiful, very beautiful.
Look at this. We've got some wonderful animals today. New Zealand has been good to us again, and everybody's happy. Name of the game is putting smiles on you, trophies in your wall. Come and get some. Hey, I'm Kent, and I'm down here in New Zealand this morning on another beautiful day. Gonna get some tahr and chamois here shortly. I do the helicopter fly-in stuff, specialize in that. It's just absolutely phenomenal down here to do. But 20 years ago, I started New Zealand Quest up, where I was a full-blown guide, did everything. Had a marvelous adventure down here. Today I do it differently because Alaskan Quest got so big for me. I had to let one of them go and focus more on Alaska for the moose hunting, and it just grew so big. But today I do it as New Zealand Quest booking agency, where I got all these talented Kiwis to take care of you, and they have tremendous talent. Works out wonderful. I come down here, have me a wonderful vacation and adventure, and make sure everything is nice and smooth, no worries, and away we go and have fun. So if you want some of this fun, just give me a call. I can do the stag hunting too. I can plug you in some beautiful fishing for trophy rainbow and brown trout. Paradise duck hunting, stuff like that is available anytime you want it. But for the wives, if you bring the wives, they can go see the penguins, go on these beautiful rainforest walks. There's so much beauty in hiking in this country. It's endless. It's a beautiful country. I say come get it done. Life is short and you'll be happy you did. So give old Kent a call. I'll make sure you're going to have a great time. And there is some of the mountains we go in. Hey, we're on the way to Monroe Beach. You get a beautiful rainforest walk on the way in. And then the penguins could be down at the beach. And look at this. Got a beautiful rainforest creek. This is a great hike in my opinion. There goes Joe on the beautiful rainforest walk. There's no prettier forest than these West Coast ones. And they mostly go to the beach here on New Zealand West Coast. Yep, and then you pop out of the rainforest and here's a beautiful ocean. And at certain times of the year, you'll be able to see the penguins over here. So that's a wonderful walk. We'll see what's down here now. Beautiful coastline of New Zealand, and most of it's very remote. Walk forever out here. And always a fun day hiking down this ocean shoreline. Look at that. Absolutely fun day. Jumping around and seeing this beauty. Hey, we climbed the rocks and there's some more beach. There's a little explorer up there. And there's some more beauty, so you can keep going as far as you want. New Zealand's pretty fun. Well, another beautiful morning here in New Zealand. The helicopter started. The fellas are about to have some fun. Sort of top-notch excitement. And hey, there they go. So if you're looking for fun like this, go up to the top of the mountain instead of hiking it, which hey, some supermen can still do in this world. But hey, to make it fun, limited for time, if you're older, this is the way to do it. Get right up to the animals, have some fun, enjoy life, and put the smile on your face. There you go, New Zealand on the west coast, where the mountains go straight up here. So that helicopter really makes it fun and easy. Look at this beautiful bull tar. Look at the colors. That's Dustin with his beauty. There's Casey over here with his. It's shining in the sun really good. New Zealand has been good to these guys, and hey, they ain't done yet. And there's the mountains they're in. There, these are what bull tar look like. Sun's on this one, got him popping, and they're prime as can be. Casey's doing good, his shooting skills are phenomenal, and Dustin's the same as him. Look at this, the guys have got it done. They make everybody here happy. Hey, we're out here having fun, and just as we're looking up, here comes a nice helicopter in to do the job. This morning worked out fabulous again. The sun is rising and there's two real nice bull tar on the ground. So Casey and Dustin, they are doing fabulous. We got Casey and Dustin. They come from Pennsylvania, and these two brothers are tearing New Zealand up. They're even seeing glowworms and they're popping big bull tar. Good job, fellas. Come a long ways to have some fun. There's a chamois in New Zealand, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So, you want that for your trophy wall? I say you come to New Zealand, get that checked off the list. Kent Kaiser will help you. Look at this happy man back behind me. He's a great gentleman from Utah. Love him like that. Here you go, a little fun on the mountaintop. We got everybody here, and it's picture time now. Look at that. A tar, and another tar. And then you got the beautiful mountains, and over here is the Tasman Sea. Hey folks, right here in New Zealand, right by Mount Cook in the background when you see it, but look at the great day again. Today was a 3 bull tar day and 1 beautiful buck chamois. So this is on your list. You come on over here, and I'm going to make sure that this is what you end up with. Look at this scenery. Hey fellas, right here is the big giant stag sale. You never know, I could find you some great prices on some 500-600 class stags, SCI size, and of course those 400s. So you better let me know what you want, because I can get it done for you. See you soon. There you go. That is one monster stag right there. I'm talking big. That's a pretty sight right there. And then look at the background, folks. Look at that. Beautiful New Zealand. Hey, look at this here. And look at the green shine on those wings. Paradise ducks, New Zealand. It sure is fun. Come get you some. sandy fallow deer, looks like. And there's his buddy. Now, it just gets more fun. And I think there's a rainbow up there. It's pretty nice. A Mexican standoff.
In the net, babe.
Just like pump her forwards and back a few times.
Oh, I'm a loser, I'm a loser.
She's ready. Thank you, darling.
Thank you, sweet girl. Sweet, sweet girl.
We're at the Hokitika Gorge, and look at this. Beautiful blue water and a beautiful rainforest on the west coast of New Zealand. You made it? Yeah. Hello, birds following you. Well, this is the Hokitika Gorge, and just beautiful colored water, especially when the sun's shining. But I say if you're on the west coast, come see this. Well, here you go. We're going to head into the Pancake Rocks. It's pretty famous. Show it to you in a minute. Here's the Pancake Rocks. Really cool over here. Water splashing. You got the sun shining in my face. But these are the rocks right here, some of them, right on the ocean, on the west coast. Pretty cool. Well, I got the sun right in my face, but here's some more. You walk this shoreline and see rock formation after rock formation. Here's Bill from Michigan. It is May 27th in New Zealand. Look at the colors on this bull tar Bill has got, and that's going to be a beautiful animal on the wall. Bill come a long ways, but he got to experience this beautiful mountain range, the Southern Alps, and then the sun is still coming up over here, and over here is the Tasman Sea. Pretty good day going. Man, look at this here. These dang buck chamois are just absolutely beautiful. Look at the face, nice horns. The black and white just goes together. We got Bill here. He's a crack shot in the Southern Alps here. It is just a fantastic, fantastic place. And it is the end of May. Look at that scenery. A little 360 spin. You go into the Tasman Sea off to the back. My goodness, man. This is where they film Lord of the Rings and all those great movies, and you can see why. I'm sure the film doesn't do it justice, but holy smokes, people. I think everybody needs to get a little bit of this once in their lifetime. got this nice, beautiful chamois. They sort of look like little zebra colors. Then we got this big old bull tahr over here. Holy smokes, look at those horns. He's got the beautiful mane and colors. And on top of it, we got Chris here from Michigan. Chris, what do you think, buddy?
Awesome. Trip of a lifetime, man.
You do it again.
Pilots, awesome guides. This is tremendous.
Good. More than you expected.
Yep.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. What's going on up here on the mountain today?
Oh man, tremendous day of hunting, man. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. This is my dream come true. Man, we got 5 animals. It's just awesome.
Oh,
the scenery is great. The pilot's awesome. The guide's great. Can't ask for a better time.
Yeah, you got it, man. There you go. I told you you'd be on the board shortly. Hey, we got Ray here. He popped off a real nice bull tahr. Look at the horns on this thing, the beautiful mane. Hey folks, we're up on the mountains. Just got a really nice bull tahr. Matter of fact, 2 of them, but I wanted to show you that behind me. So if you're looking to come have some tahr hunting, an adventure, a vacation in New Zealand, well, this is what goes on. I try to film a little bit of it. Here I'm just trying to show you the beauty. Spectacular scenic spot for tahr hunting and chamois hunting. There's no better in New Zealand than where you're going to be at here. So give me a call and I'll plug you in the best I can, and you'll go have some of this yourself and memories that I believe you'll have forever. Well folks, another marvelous day here, and look at the horns on this one. These are the big giant bull tahr. People don't know exactly how much they weigh, but they're bigger than what you think, especially when you try to drag one. We got Ray here who did this beautiful shooting today. He's 79 years old having fun. Can you believe that? And his buddy Bruce with him. And they're up here in the Southern Alps, right there, getting this done. So, hey, don't matter if you're 10 years old or 85, come have you some fun. Here we go, beginning of May. Shane and Byron have come here and they have got the job done. Look at these giant bull tahr these fellas have got. How's the day going, guys?
Couldn't get any better. Absolutely wonderful.
Love it. And then look at the scenery. Hey folks, this is Kaitiri. This is where I used to live. And if you look on the hill there, that house on the very top is where I used to live for years. That's where I built New Zealand Quest out of. How I got that house in this beautiful area is a good story, which I'll tell you sometime. This is the beach in this beautiful little town. And then right behind there's a store, a restaurant, and there's another restaurant. So it's a beautiful little town. I'm very grateful to have spent time here. Well, we're on the beach in Kaitiri. Again, this is like some of the best stuff in New Zealand to live. We're heading over here for a lunch break. We're walking to Abel Tasman, and there's what it looks like. So we're just getting started, just having an enjoyable day. Sun is shining. Okay, I was inside a cave and I'm coming out. We don't even know where this goes. But this is a shoreline of like the Abel Tasman. And when you just walk around, there's all kinds of these caves. Where are we going? And there you go. That's the beach we were on. So, man, beautiful. I say anybody comes to New Zealand, man, you better hit this shoreline of Abel Tasman and the Split Apple Rock area of Kaitiri. Hey, check out this cool lobster restaurant just north of Kaikoura. You can get in there and get all the lobsters you want. And then look at that. Head right on down to the beach and enjoy them. Can't beat that stop, north of Kaikoura. Hey, look at that. There's what you're after. The crayfish right here at Nin's Bins. Look at this here. It's right on the ocean. You come out and there you go. Beautiful place to get your lobster, as the Kiwis call it, crayfish.
Hey, it's the last 2 of the year. Gonna wind this up. Time for the fun to start.
So if you want some of New Zealand, hey, this is the middle of June. These animals are prime as can be. There's nothing but fun in this country, whether it's sightseeing, getting some beautiful trophies, or just going out and enjoying the towns. This is a place for you. Here you go, a good representative, a fine representative of a chamois. Look at that face. It is just unbelievable quality trophy. You know, folks, here in New Zealand, these chamois are some of the best in the world. I mean, you can go to Spain, Europe, whatever, but you ain't gonna have beautiful scenery like this and top-notch chamois hunting. So, if it's something on your list, you know what to do. You know what to do. Nothing better. Well, this is what a beautiful trophy chamois looks like. Look at those colors. Face is popping. They're dark this time of year. Furs and quality. And we got Dustin. Dustin, what do you think, buddy?
Kent Kaiser in New Zealand Quest. Unbelievable experience. I'm glad I decided to do it.
Well, this is just to show you how big these tahr get. This one here is magnificent. He's monster size. Most of them are all just beautiful anyway. Look at that mane, June 15th. And that body is just huge. They will get up to 300 pounds, but this one is probably pushing it. New Zealand in the Southern Alps. Hey folks, this is the grand finale of the year, and this tahr is what you call a super bull tahr. I mean, it's got everything: size, age, giant horns. So, you're interested in something like this? Well, in having all this fun, I'd say you go do it. So, nothing better in life than in having all the fun and enjoyment that you deserve. Hey, we're rolling here in New Zealand again. These things are in their prime. Look at that beautiful chamois. And then you got a beautiful tahr. Folks, if you've been watching these clips, I've incorporated traveling, beautiful places to see, all this great animal trophy hunting, helicopters. If this is sort of on your list, well, life is short, so I would say you might want to jump on this and get her done. Okay, wrapping up 2025. See you in 2026. Today was another great day. We're getting these tahr and chamois off the list. Some dreams for these nice men that come all the way down here to do it. If you've been watching this film, I put a lot of stuff in here. A lot of other hikes, places to go, see the penguins, see the gorge, traveling around. If you're bringing the wives, they're gonna love the little stores and towns you can pop in But this right here is for mostly the outdoorsmen. So something you seen on here you like, you want to get it done, life is short, I'll get you all set up. Wonderful thing is I just come down here really now in my seasoned golden years. I have fun and adventure and enjoy a lot of it with you, but I will direct you to all the good stuff, and I can get you the best prices as you can see and compare. Anyway, look at behind me. Just absolutely magnificent scenery and country. And I hope some of you decide to come on down and have a peek at it yourself. And over here is a beautiful ocean. There you go, we just got done. The animals are all skinned up, getting ready to go down to the taxidermist and get them sent back. And everybody be happy. Beautiful animals. Look at this here chamois, and look at all these beautiful tar. Holy smokes, people. We got 3 guys here that did an excellent job today. Awful happy for them. Off to the next adventure. Here's my helper today. She's never too happy about this. Okay, line them up, helper. There she is. Gets them in the bag. Does a wonderful job. Okay, here's the last bull tar.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Take your time.
This one is not.
Take your time. And there you go. I have the best helper in all of New Zealand.
Yeah, because I'm free.
How much pay you getting?
0.
She'll make out somewhere on this deal, I guarantee you. Hey, when you're all done, I've got the perfect guy for taxidermy or expediting all your animals back to America. Look at the quality of the work that he does. It's just fantastic. You can't get better than that. That right there was the bull tar. Beautiful stuff. And here's a little bit more example of the quality and what everything looks like here. This guy take excellent care of you and get all your mounts back to America in great condition.